What's up everybody, this is Mike. Welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing well. And the topic of today's video will be flying FPV and more specifically my current progress after flying on the simulator for roughly 30 hours. As you might know, I'm currently preparing myself to dive deep into flying FPV. I've already ordered my FPV quadcopter. I'm currently waiting for it to arrive home. But in the meantime, I've been preparing myself using the simulator quite a lot in the past couple of weeks and trying to get better. I already have my DJI remote controller and the goggles for flying FPV with my DJI build. But the main difference is that I switched from this FlySky i6S to the DJI FPV remote controller, and I wouldn't really say there is a huge difference. This one is definitely a bit bulkier than this one, but I think it's important to get used to the controls, to the size, and to the remote itself when flying in the simulator, so that would make it easier for me to transfer to the real thing afterwards. One thing that I can say is that I've been focusing a lot on is practicing slower flying, especially around obstacles, and having better control around these obstacles so I can go through them or around them without crashing so much. And I don't think I'm good by any means, but I'm definitely better than I was when I started. So that's a bit of a progress for sure. And if you go back and watch my first episode of learning FPV, which was flying on the simulator, I was so bad at flying around these obstacles. Now I have a lot more control, a lot more precision. And like I said, I don't think I'm good at it, not yet at least, but I'm getting there slowly but surely. And I think the real practice will come once I start flying in the real world and not on the simulator. But for now, what I'm trying to do is focus on having better control, flying through obstacles, flying very close to certain objects without crashing into them. And don't get me wrong, I still crash quite a lot, but I've picked a couple of clips that I want to share with you that show a couple of my better moments when I get into the zone without crashing. These clips that you're currently seeing have been shot during a 30-minute window. I find myself getting really exhausted after flying for more than let's say 45 or 60 minutes on the simulator, so I try to keep my sessions very short. That's why my overall hours on the simulator are not that many. It's just over 30 hours as of right now. But I believe if you focus too much on the simulator for a longer period of time, then your brain is just going to get super exhausted and you lose some of your attention, you lose some of your reflexes. At least that's what happens to me. So I try to keep my sessions short, just under an hour, and I try to get into the habit of controlling the drone. So I think that is a good strategy. You don't need to push yourself and fly 6 hours a day to get better, but you just need to build a habit. So one thing that I can say is that I am extremely happy with this simulator. It's called Liftoff, if you're not aware, and it's about $20 on Steam. It's available for all platforms, so you can check it out if you're interested in FPV yourself. So it really feels like you're playing a game, but not in a bad way. It feels realistic, but it doesn't feel intimidating at all, at least once you get into the habit. So I highly encourage you to check out this simulator if you are into that. If you're looking to polish your skills before you get into the real thing, I think that's a good idea. But for now, I will leave you with a couple of clips which show you some of my best moments from yesterday's flying. And once again, I cannot stress this enough. I'm so pumped for getting my FPV quadcopter and just seeing what I can do on the real thing. I'm getting very impatient, but yeah, soon I'll have it in my hands. So for now, I just want to thank you very quickly for your support of this whole new chapter in my drone flying. I'm so excited to get it started. This is Mike from Drone Supremacy, and I'll catch you in the next one. Enjoy. you.